We know that all matter is made up of atoms. And if you zoom in, you can see that atoms themselves are made up of smaller particles known as subatomic or fundamental particles. We are familiar with the negatively charged electrons that revolve around the nucleus. The nucleus itself consists of positively charged protons, which neutralize the negative charge of the electrons revolving around the nucleus. Besides protons, another kind of fundamental particle of an atom is present in the nucleus, a neutron. And in this video, we will learn about its discovery and properties. For a very long time, scientists believed that an atom consisted only of electrons and protons. But the existence of protons alone inside the nucleus did not make sense. Can you think why? For one, protons are positively charged, and we know that like charges repel. But something was still stopping protons in the nucleus from pulling away from each other, even though they're supposed to repel each other. Secondly, the mass of electrons and protons in an atom did not add up to the mass of that atom. Then, in 1932, James Chadwick discovered neutrons through artificial radioactivity. Radioactivity is the process in which the nucleus of an atom breaks up spontaneously and emits invisible radiation. So, when alpha particles, which are simply helium atoms, were shot at a beryllium target, some particles seemed to radiate out of the beryllium atoms. A charge detector showed that these particles were neutral. These were not affected by electric or magnetic fields. Since they were neutral in charge, they were named neutrons. These newly discovered particles could knock protons out of paper, paraffin, plastics, and other substances. This led to the discovery that a neutron has almost the same mass as that of a proton. It was observed that these particles were highly penetrative and could pass through a thick layer of lead. What do you think about the charge-to-mass ratio of a neutron? Since a neutron does not have a charge, its charge-to-mass ratio is 0. To summarize, neutrons were discovered in 1932 by James Chadwick through artificial radioactivity. As the name suggests, they're neutral particles and do not carry a charge. The mass of a neutron is almost the same as that of a proton. They are highly penetrating particles and can pass even through a thick layer of lead.